welcome back to WindowzTech. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download Microsoft Outlook on your computer or mobile device, whether you are using Windows, Mac OS or a smartphone. I will guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Download Microsoft Outlook for Windows or Mac. Go to your browser, type the Microsoft official website, that is microsoft.com. Okay, then over here you can see the search. You can click on it and search for the Microsoft Outlook. Here you can see Outlook. You can click on that. You will see an option to buy if you are looking for a paid version, or you can get it as a part of Microsoft 365. If you already have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you can click on sign in to download Outlook directly. For Mac users, follow the same step, but be sure to choose a version compatible with Microsoft OS. Step 2. Downloading Microsoft Outlook from Microsoft Store. If you are on Windows 10, 11, an easy way to download Outlook is directly from the Microsoft Store. So search for Microsoft Store, click on that, and you can click in the search bar, type Outlook, hit enter, and scroll down. You can see here you have Outlook for Windows. Click on that, then click on the button Get. And if you are already signed into the Microsoft Store, it will directly start installing. If not, then you will have to sign into Microsoft Store to begin the downloading process. So let me also sign in. So yes, I have signed in. You can see over here the downloading process has started. So this is how we download the Outlook for Windows on our PC for free. And if you want, you can have the subscription version with many other features. So let's just get downloaded. So yeah, it is downloaded. From here you can open it. So now I'll show you how to download on mobile devices. For Android, you need to go to the Play Store, Google Play Store. Okay, and then over here you can open the apps and then go to the search. In the search you can type Microsoft Outlook. Click on this Microsoft Outlook. Over here you can see there is an install button. You can click on install and then it will install. Step 4. Signing in and get started. Once Outlook is installed, simply open the app. You will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create a Microsoft account for free. So enter your mail ID, a new mail ID, and then click next and create a password. Create a complex password so that you have a security for your account, and then click next. Here it is asking for your first name and the last name, so enter your first name and your last name and then click next. Here you can see it is asking for region and then your date of birth, so you can fill up this information and then click next. Just give it some time. Here you can see it is showing creating your mailbox. And setting up your things. Microsoft respect your privacy, so here also you can scroll down and just click next. Get fitting better together. Click on no, don't, and optional data. Of your experience, click continue, and then give it some time so it will set up your Outlook profile, everything, your inbox, outbox, send items, calendar, everything. It will be getting setting up. It will just close and then reopen automatically. You can see the Outlook has opened automatically again. Here you can see everything. There is inbox, drafts, and items, everything. You can see some emails have received a welcome email from the Microsoft. And that's how you download Microsoft Outlook on your computer or mobile device. Whether you are using Windows, Mac OS, or a smartphone, these simple steps will help you set up in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Windows Tech for more video tutorials and tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.